Hello students, hope all of you are well. I am fine. So today I have started with a new topic, that is leaf, from page number 192. So just look at page number 192. Here various types of leaves are present with their figure like casuarina, bamboo, etc. Observe them carefully and complete the chart of page 192, where you have to write their shape of expanded portion of the leaf. Next, you have to know the important parts of a leaf. So, there are three important parts. Number 1, lamina অর্থাৎ ফলক, that is the green, flat, extended part of the leaf. Number 2, petiole অর্থাৎ পত্রবৃন্ত, that is the short cylindrical part which makes connection between lamina and stem. But this petiole may or may not be present in all plants. And finally, number 3 is the leaf base অর্থাৎ পত্রমূল. It is a swollen part through which leaf attaches with the stem. These three parts have different functions. I will give you a chart related to their functions for your help. On the basis of my given chart, you can relate the columns of the chart at page number 194. At page number 193 below, here is two subtypes of leaves on the basis of venation on lamina. Now, we have to know about the venation অর্থাৎ শিরা বিন্যাস. So what is venation? Venation is the arrangement of veins on the lamina of leaf. According to your textbook, there are two subtypes of this venation. Number 1 is reticulate অর্থাৎ জালকাকার. In this case, a prominent vein is present at the center and many branches coming out from the mid vein, and all they together form a net-like structure. Say for example, hibiscus leaf. Number 2 is parallel venation অর্থাৎ সমান্তরাল শিরাবিন্যাস. Here the mid vein and all other here the mid vein and all other branched veins together are parallel to each other throughout their length. Example, banana leaf, bay leaf, etc. Next, at page number 194 below, there are some figures of some leaves which are modified to do various works. At page number 195, there is an orange chart related to this topic, and I shall do it for you. Next, page number 195 middle, there is another typification of leaves is present. I repeat, at page number 195 middle, there is another typification of leaves present on the basis of lobes of lamina. That is on the basis of the parts of lamina. I clear it. Number 1, simple leaf অর্থাৎ সরল পত্র. In this case, some leaves, the lamina remain centered or single lobed or one leaflet, like peepal leaf, banyan leaf, mango leaf, etc. And number 2 is compound leaf অর্থাৎ যৌগিক পত্র. In this case, the lamina is dissected in many parts up to its midribs to form more than one lobes, like tamarind, rose, neem leaf, etc. Look at carefully the figures of simple and compound leaves of page number 195 to get more clear idea. Next, there are some questions related to leaf at page number 195 below and 196 above. Try to complete them. These are very easy. So it's your homework. So students, that's all. Next day I shall come with the new topic flower from page number 196. Till then, take care. Bye.